Hey, Mary.
Hi, Kate.
Hey, nice to see you. So this is Mary Knysh, and she's from the Music for People and Rhythm Connections organization. So during lockdown, I engaged with Mary online and learnt lots of new techniques about music improvisation and workshop facilitation. And the way that she teaches and her organization teaches really sort of felt good to me and fitted with the way my values about music. So can you tell us a little bit more about the values of music for people and what people might experience in a workshop?
Sure, Kate. Music for People has been around 30 plus 40 years, and the founder, David Darling, was an amazing cellist and recording artist. And he also was a teacher. And so he really believed that everybody was full of music. And he wanted to find the most direct path for everyone, regardless of their level of experience, whether they were completely novices and had never created music or professionals, highly seasoned professionals. He was really searching for a way where both ends of the spectrum could create meaningful and really organic music together. And so this grew out of David's passion for finding a humanistic approach to accessing the music within each one of us.
Can you tell us a little bit more about what people might experience in a workshop during the day?
Yeah, of course. You will experience some really simple ways to access music as an expressive language. And we'll start with pulse because everybody has a heartbeat, very easy for anyone to do. And with voice, very simple ways to just take a breath and make a sound. And we embrace the idea that there are no wrong notes. And so, really, it's an open field for discovery. And we have beautiful structures where people will be able to create music together, like I said, on any experience level, and get together and create. We say compositions that are less than 5 minutes old because it's fresh and it's new, and we are really creating authentic music in the moment.
Absolutely. And it really is for professional musicians as well, teachers, wellness teachers. Yeah, for everybody can gain things from these techniques of working with sort of different sets of musical instruments and exploring their own musical instruments in
Yeah.
different ways that they haven't thought of before. And also we'll have percussion instruments, and can vocalists come as well?
Oh, voice is the fundamental instrument. We are all vocalists, so absolutely yes. And the beauty of the instruments that we'll have is they're easily accessible. You'll be able to have a melodic as well as percussive experience, regardless of your level of expertise. And if you play an instrument, we really encourage you to bring your personal instruments as well.
Absolutely. There's the first day is on Tuesday, April the 16th, 10:30 till 4:30, and that's in Brighton at the Unitarian Church in the middle of Brighton. So come along there. And there's also one more. Now, will these be very different, Mary, these workshops, or will they be the same?
Pretty much no improv workshop is the same. Um, Basically, I really ask the group. I usually will start and ask the group what they need, why they're there, and how music is a part of their life, and what they'd love to leave with. And so every workshop has a unique um, structure that's really based on the needs of the group that are there. And so every workshop is different, every group of people is different. And if you come to both days, I suspect you'll have an entirely different experience at each one.
Fantastic. So yes, there's one in Brighton on the Tuesday, and on Wednesday, Mary's going to be in Arundel at the Victoria Institute. And again, the day will go from 10:30 till 4:30. So please take the day off work.
Yes.
Come along to a play shop.
Join us. You'll have a great time and you'll discover the music that's within you.
It's absolutely great fun, and lots and lots of new ideas and lots of inspiration. So if you want to get tickets, then please go to my website, Kate Hogg Music, and click on the Inspired by India link. And there you'll see the two workshops there. Thank you so much, Mary. I'm so excited.
I am too. I look forward to seeing you soon.
Okay.
Please join us.
Thanks, Mary. Bye then.
Bye-bye.